Is this your first time to magsama-sama sa isang concert? So how was it? How excited you are doing this concert, three of you?
It's our first time to perform actually together,
yeah.
all three of us. So I'm sure we're all excited to be performing together. I've idolized these two for a long time.
Ouch. Take out with the long time part, diba?
Even sound. Yeah, I'm very happy.
Same with me. I'm really excited. I'm surrounded by really talented people. Tsaka, I think we're ready to see something new dito sa Pilipinas with this concert. I'm super excited.
Sam?
Yeah, very, very excited. I feel so honored to be part of the show. Siyempre, Billy and James, hands down, two of my favorite artists in the country. And I get to do the show with them. And we get the chance to make something really different, exciting. I'm glad to be part of it.
Please share to us kung ano yung magiging spot nyong tatlo dito. Meron bang times that you're doing duet, and then trio kayo, and then, of course, yung solo-solo nyo. Dun sa solo-solo nyo, kakantayin nyo ba yung song ng bawat isa? May ganun bang klaseng, kumbaga, performances?
Meron kaming solo spots, but for the most part, it's all mixed together. Ang gusto naming show, seamless, so it's just straight all the way.
Yung parang, kasi lahat naman kami, we enjoy pretty much the same music. So we'll be singing a lot of our own songs, plus na rin some of our favorite songs. So yung flow from the start to the end, gusto namin nag-enjoy. It's a big party pretty much for 2 hours.
Yeah, songs old and new, we get to sing it. Minsan solo, minsan dalawa na kami, minsan all three. Whatever fits best for each number.
Yung mga guest nyo, it's your personal choice ba na sila yung maging guest nyo? And si Nadine, si Colleen, and then Yasi. And meron ba kayong mga performance with them? Parang ganyan.
I think, ang hirap magsalita kasi we don't really want to give away so much because there are a lot of special things that will happen this night. Kaya parang, ako personally, yes, there's something that inspired me to actually have my wife for the first time to perform with me. I would love that. So, but tingnan na lang natin kung ano ba talaga ang mangyayari for mine.
James, for Nadine?
Yeah, I'm excited to have Nadine because there's a very special song which we're going to perform for the first time in concert. Yes.
And for Yasi?
Yeah, well, unlike the two of them, meron silang significant other, but I'm really glad that I got Yasi to say yes and agree to be part of this show with me. Because thinking of someone that good, that is a performer, and sing and can act, Yasi is the perfect choice. And we're gonna do some really fun numbers in this show. Actually, pinaplano namin din kanina. We're excited to do it.
Congratulations. For sure, magiging hit to because of the three of you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Next.
You said you were doing your own songs. How old are you going? Far back?
Parang panahon pa ng hapon ako
How far back are you going?
Like how far back do you know?
Urgently in Love?
Oh my God, no, I won't be doing that. If you were asking when I had long hair, that was my first song ever. It's called Urgently in Love.
Yeah.
Namatay na po yun at nasunog na yun.
Ayaw mo na?
No, I can't.
I'll search it.
No, please don't.
Yeah, search it, James.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
No, I can't do it. But apart from that, yeah, there's quite a surprise about the old Billy. So and there's also a surprise for the brand new Billy.
Okay, let's see.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much. So lang, yung individual. Pagdating sa music pa, malaki yung pinagbago ng mga genre ninyo. And ano yung sa tingin ninyo na influence ng isa't isa sa inyo?
Well, sa akin actually, malaki ang difference. I mean, honestly, being on stage with James and Sam, it's a pleasure for me because I get to learn about what's relevant, what's now. Ito yung ngayon. And pero I guess the inspiration talaga is I'm really excited talaga for me personally to be in this creative camp that we have, and this is the crew. So lahat ng mga kanta namin, like, I'm challenging myself. Kasi sa akin, the last time I came out with an album was 10 years ago. So it's a big challenge for me to come out with something na magugustuhan ng publiko, especially their age, you know what I mean? So I don't want to be too off. Something like Usher, for example, hanggang ngayon, Usher is still Usher, and he will always be that person, So I want to come out with something.
But congrats to Billy. Like, I have heard his new album, and it's really good. It's fire. It's really good. And Filipino group, it's already an amazing song. He's making a big comeback, so I'm excited to see that in a concert.
Thanks, brother. Appreciate it.
Ako naman, hindi masyado nagbago yung sound ko. I was always pop R&B. It's more R&B hip-hop now, more hip-hop influence.
Yeah, ako rin, I like to think na nagbago siya. I mean, from my first pop songs nung 12 years old ako, 13, nung magsisimula ako to Combo Panda days and all that. It's changed. It's changed a lot, and yung mga nag-influence din are these guys, honestly, para sa akin. Because I think mga 2 albums ago, and my first ever real studio experience was with Billy. He wrote one of my songs when I was 16, 17, and now being around James and Careless and that crew too, there's so much music and so much inspiration, creativity going around, and it's molding me into the artist that I want to be.
Pahabol lang tanong, bakit The Crew yung title? The Crew?
Originally, the crew board yun eh. The crew board.
The Crew board.
Meron pa isa pang title eh.
Meron pa isa eh. Gents read. But no, I think it's the friendship that we have with each other. We call each other the crew because Careless is James's crew. I have my own crew, and Sam has his own crew. But this is the crew of performers, I guess. So I think we motivate each other and we inspire each other, and we feed off of each other for music and performing.
Who think of the title? Sino yung nag-isip ng title?
There's a bunch of titles, but I think Boss Vic was the one.
Thank you.
Hello. What do we expect sa concert nyo? Of course, I know this is full of dancing, singing. Ano pa yung dapat naming asahan?
Besides the original music, the big dance numbers, we're really focused production value on the visuals and the flow of the concert. We want it to feel new. We want it to feel really exciting and like a party, like a really big party the whole way through.
And also, I think gusto rin namin na kahit ganun kalaki yung venue na it's Araneta, but we're still gonna make it still intimate with our crowd. Yun yung goal namin, is malapitan namin and to have them have a wonderful time. It will be visually entertaining, plus, I mean, kikiligin sila sa moments. It's ups and downs of emotions ang gusto namin iparating. And seamless, yung wala talagang tigil, putol, or whatever, it's just tuloy-tuloy lang. That's our goal. Is 2 hours of non-stop music and performance.
We want the audience to make sure, we'll make sure that the audience leaves the concert na nag-enjoy silang lahat. It's going to be non-stop, fun, at laging may bagong nangyayari dun sa show. And to add to that, we want to be really close to the fans, and we want them right here.
How involved are you sa choice of songs na kakantahin nyo at at magiging part ng
Very.
repertoire?
Lahat kami. We including Viva, including ourselves, we did a meeting a few times and we really sat down for hours and thought of it na nag-uusap kami. Kami po nag-conceptualize na rin kung ano yung takbo ng show. So, kami tatlo po.
Paano papasok ang mga special guest niyo?
Tita, manood na lang kayo. Kasi parang binibigyan ko sa inyo lahat.
Ako eh, nanonood ako. Pero
pagkatapos kasi nung backstage, tatlin. Meron kasi how do I explain this, bro? It's kind of hard to explain how they're involved sa concert. Kasi for the both of us, they're involved in our lives. And we know Sam is one of the best performers dito sa bansang to. And I believe that. And to have the counterpart of Sam, which is Yasi, to do a number, alam mo, it's gonna be exciting. So there's something special na mangyayari, of course, with James, something definitely special with me, and it will be also special. So hindi lang namin masabi kung saan namin ilalagay because we want it to be a surprise actually for the people.
Thank you. Here's Tito Mario Bautista.
I will just po.
May kilala po kayo, tita. Text ko po.
Pero Yas is a very, very close friend of mine, very good friend of mine. And like I said, Karina, I couldn't have thought of anyone better to be in the performance, to be in my set with me. We see a lot of Yasi on TV right now. Nakikita natin siya every day. But I think, and I say this to her all the time. And she has a new music out right now. So wakas, yung bago niya kanta. She has a lot to do it, to offer, and to show in music and dance. And I'm glad na nakikita natin siya ngayon there, and I'm glad that she'll be in the show to do that too. So.
Lastly, Billy, now that you're with Viva, nagawa ka rin ng mga pelikula in the future?
Maybe, yeah. Pero I think yung concentration ko ngayon is really music and performance. Pero hindi ko pa naman talaga bibitaw ng hosting. I mean, that's still my job with ABS. And pero yung I got to concentrate talaga sa album, and I'm ready to pretty much make the whole world hear this album. So I'm excited for it. Very, very soon. I'm gonna be releasing singles after singles after singles until I don't know, it tells a story. That's why. So. I don't know if it might be released before or after, but I will be performing new songs sa album.
Here's the question.
But postponed. I
Oh.
had a shoulder injury, so I had to postpone the training. So it was very.
What happened to your shoulder?
I was looking after it. I was doing my weightlifting, parkour, weapons training, martial arts. It was a lot, and my shoulder couldn't take it, so I got injured, and I'm still recovering. But while I'm recovering, I have several projects. Another movie I'll be doing. Don't think I can say it just yet, but and also the concert.
So instead of Pedro Penluco, you'll be doing another movie.
Yes, I have to wait for it to heal.
I see. How do you feel about Nadine going solo in Ulan?
I'm happy for her. I was so impressed by the trailer. It looks amazing. I'm really excited for her. I'm very happy for her.
Okay. Good luck to all of you, and I wish this would really be a big concert so you can bring it abroad and to the major cities in the country.
Yes, that's the plan actually.